Well, the sun gray, we gon' shine. Let's bounty party. Once again, I'm back at the park. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Well, you can see me right here. Okay, the sun is shining bright. You couldn't see me. I'm kind of like in the shade, the other side that I just came from. It's really bright. No shade really over there. But anyways, yeah, I'm just out here going for a morning walk, looking at the animals, the ducks, the squirrels, the butterflies, just soaking in all of nature. But anyways, let me just go enjoy that. I'm gonna maneuver my way out of the sun, bro. The sun is like sunning right now. It's like right there, like right there. Yeah, so I'm just outside. I thought I'd come to the park and get some fresh air. I don't know why my nose feels sniffly and all of that, but I like being by the water and all of that. I wish I had my freaking selfie stick so I didn't have to hold a camera like this. But yeah, I'm just out here and chilling. Yeah, so I think today I'm just gonna try and make a plan. All right, I need a plan about the next few months ahead, what I need to do, and then make some steps towards it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I got some ideas. Like I said, I don't know if I said it here, but I joined a 5-day like motivational get your life together type of situation challenge with Lisa Nichols. She's from Mind Valley. Also, you probably seen her in TED Talks and things like that. So I joined that, and we're on day 3. Wait, are we on day 3? No, we're on day 4. Day 3 was yesterday. We're on day 4. Basically, the first day was about releasing those limiting beliefs, or finding those limiting beliefs that you didn't even know that you had about your circumstances, your situations, and then not just making it general about your all my life, but breaking them down, like which part of your life. Like, is this part of your relationships that you have? Is this the area of your financial, your spiritual, just breaking it down into that, your health and wellness. Like, is it a part of that? So that really like opened up my eyes and got me, really seeing that I have some limiting beliefs, even about the environment that I'm in. And maybe it's just my own thoughts, or maybe it's just facts. But yeah, so it gave me something different to look at, to think about. And then the second day was more so just finding your joy, going back to the things that make you happy, things that you would do for free, and the things that you love. So one of the things that I wrote down was being outside in nature, like just being out here, like eases my mind, soothes my soul. Okay, so I just decided to come out here today, and just being out with nature is one of my things. It's just one of my things. There's so many things like art, music, all of those things. Oh, so soothing. So I got to get back to those things. And so day 3, which was yesterday, was about making a plan, like a solid plan. It doesn't have to be sound, but kind of solid, okay? And then breaking that plan down into steps where you can complete, and action steps. And then also celebrating yourself when you complete those milestones. So back when I was writing my book, I set a date. I had already done these things. You know what I'm saying? I wanted it to be done by this date. I wanted it to be published by this date. And I kind of like had a buffer date because I was waiting to see if I was going to get offers, because I did submit it to a few different publishers, which I did get, which I did decline because it wasn't what I wanted. It wasn't what I desired. So I declined it. I did. And so I self-published. I sat down. I had a plan. I'm going to sit down. I'm going to write. And each week I did. I showed up for myself and I did those things. So that's how that book came about. You Better Recognize, The Art of Reflection. You can find it on Amazon. You can find it in the link in my bio, in the description of this video. But yeah, so I'm back at that point where I need a goal. Not need a goal. I have a goal. I definitely have a goal, but I need to make a plan. of how to get there. And then I need to break it down into actionable steps so that it can, you know, come into fruition. So that's what yesterday was about. I'm not really sure what today about. I don't exactly remember. I have it as a screenshot, background or wallpaper on my phone. So yeah, I've been enjoying that, getting my brain working again, getting you know, these things, because sometimes, you know, I need those reminders. I need to remind myself that I really don't have a plan. I think I do, but I really don't. So get back to the plan. Get back to the plan. You know, what I'm doing today is going to impact me tomorrow. So I want to make sure that the things that I'm doing today are the things that going to elevate me tomorrow, are the things that are going to bring me closer to the things that I want, I desire tomorrow. Okay, so just being out here, you know, just makes it a little bit easier on myself, allows me to be easier on myself and not, you know, so hard. So one of the things, you just got to be kind to yourself sometimes. Like, nobody said life was going to be peaches and cream, all easy, everything's going to be easy, you know. I enjoy a challenge, all right? I take on the challenge. I'm responsible for what goes on in my life, and I choose to make choices that help better me. That's just who I am. So anyways, I'm going to get up, get out of here probably, finish my walk. I still got to go all the way around to get back to my vehicle. And I just really just been sitting here, just soaking up some vitamin D from the sun and all of that. But yeah, this is probably what you're going to see more on my channel, because the fashion thing, I love it. Don't get me wrong. I love showing up and showing you the outfits. You know, today I just got on a t-shirt and some jeans. But I love showing up, showing you the outfits, showing you all of the things that I enjoy doing. But I also like speaking and talking and writing music and making music and things like that. Like, I like that stuff too. So I generally just want to motivate, inspire, and, you know, give off what I can give from the heart. All right? What I've learned, what I've experienced. And so you might see more of that on this channel. But anyways, let me go finish what I'm doing. My goal is just to see everybody win. Like, I want those people around me who are motivated, and can hold me accountable to do the things I say I'm going to do and that I want to do. But anyways, I think I'm going to end this video right here. I'm about to cross this bridge. And yeah, I thank you for watching my channel. I really do appreciate you. Share this channel with your family and friends, and hit that like button, hit that bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload another one of these videos, so that you can be here, right here with me, growing. All right, so I'll holler at you in the next one. Peace.
Got me feeling like it's Sunday evening. Sun going down, but ain't nobody leaving. Hey.